Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to turn on or off the nudge feature in Gmail. So basically that feature allows you to decide what emails are important and which are not important. I show you guys how to turn on or off the feature. All you have to do is open up Gmail, click on this setting gear icon and select see all settings. In here you just need to scroll down. Under here you can able to see the nudges option. Over here there are two different options: suggest emails to reply to, emails you might have forgotten to respond to will appear at the top of your inbox. You can turn on or off by check marking this box. And the second one is suggest emails to follow up on. Send emails you might need to follow up on will appears at the top of your inbox. You can check mark it by your preferences. After doing it, you just need to scroll down and select save changes option to save it. And that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.